Yo, what is going on? Back at another video. Doing this Accord, homie Amari's. Got an 08 Accord. We're gonna be hooking this thing up too. He's gonna be showing you this. And today we got this air tank he got for his car. I don't know what brand that is. Gonna change spark plugs. That's about it. And detailing this dirty engine bay before we install that. Alright, let's get this thing open. Let's see. Alright, we got hoses and everything. Hoses. Little booklet with stickers. That's how you know it's official. For real. You got your intake pipe. Yeah, this is dope. All the little shit that it comes with.
Is it a heat shield?
Heat shield. And then a bracket over there. Oh, shit. This one after that. I'm gonna have to get one for my car now. Man, this shit came with everything, and I missed the little bracket piece. Alright. Shit came with all this shit, hoses and rubber pieces. We're gonna be taking off this stock one right here. Bro, I don't know how to keep his damn car clean. Should be dirty as hell. We're gonna clean that up today. All right, let's get it. I'll look at this. Gonna use some good old purple power.
Damn, VG, you made this?
It ain't a full detail, but looks way better than it did before. And now we're gonna put this intake in before it gets pretty dark. It's pretty late already. And you gotta make hella time. Look at how this shit look clean and shit. Look at that. It look totally different. While he's doing that shit slow as hell, I'm gonna be figuring this out right here. I'm just showing them a little bit, changes on spark plugs and stuff on this food. Since I was growing up, almost got half of this shit in. It's taking forever. This shit looks legit though. It's really good quality. What's that hose for? I know exactly what it goes for. They gave us some extra hoses. Where's the other one? The big one? Where's that big one?
This one?
Yeah, no, that's not a hose right there.
This one.
So they gave us this big hose, little hose. This big one right here, it needs to be replaced and go straight from right here to right there. Then this little one is supposed to go. Just gave me a longer one to go from that one all the way to this hose, which is this longer one right here. And this big fat one goes from here to there. So we're gonna get that changed out, get it all settled, and get right back with y'all. getting pretty dark. Finally got done with everything. It was pretty much easy. Plug and play everything. Oh, I gotta put that line back in right there. Got everything tightened up, broke it up. It looks legit. We gotta take it for a drive. Probably. We'll take it for a drive and we'll see. But he's gonna be getting a lip kit, coilovers, and everything for his car, and we're gonna be shooting that as well. Homie's coming up. Got my girl's car finally back out the shop. That's coming soon too as well. It's gonna be the 2.0. She's gonna come out hard too. Another content Camaro. We're gonna get all these fucking cars sitting nice. Ain't no stock cars in this driveway. I promise you that. Even the Lexus IS300. That's coming soon too. All these cars. There ain't gonna be one single normal car, and I'm gonna put my word on that. But thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I get back to you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.